Side hustles I wish I knew sooner for the broken lazy. Let's go.
First you want to go to Amazon.com, then you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on Become an Affiliate. That will take you to a page like this, and you can just sign up and apply to become an Amazon affiliate. And now go back to Amazon.com and go to the search bar, and you can search for anything that you want, but with summer right around the corner, patio furniture look like it's going pretty good. And you just scroll through until you find one that you like. And let's see, this one looks pretty good. Now go over to Pinterest.com and create an account. And once you have an account created, go over to Create, then Create Pin. Just take you to a page like this. Then go back to Amazon.com and copy the description of the patio furniture. Go back over to Pinterest and paste it right there in the description. Next, go back over to your Amazon page, and you want to go up to the top here where it says Get Link, click Text, and then you want to copy this link right here. That's going to be your affiliate link. Go back over to Pinterest and paste that link right there in the destination link. And then up here for the title, I'm just going to go and put patio furniture. And finally, you just want to go back over here, click on this image, then right click, save image as, and then you save that into your files. And then you just click here, find that image that you just saved, hit open, and there you have it. And now when you're ready, you can just hit publish, and when someone clicks your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you will earn a commission.
This could be a really great way to do affiliate marketing if you don't want to show your face and you still want to make money online. I hope you found this video helpful. For more side hustles like this and for my favorite side hustle, make sure to click that follow button, like this video, and save this video for more.